In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Key Fob SiXFOB2A. This key fob is compatible with these panels and requires one 3-volt CR2032 battery, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer. Note, you'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your control app. Also, if the LEDs don't flash when you press a button on the key fob, the battery needs replacing. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your command panel or your touchscreen. To access the battery compartment, insert a small flathead screwdriver into the notch on the corner of the fob and gently separate the front and back covers. You may hear a tamper tone or see an error message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, use the screwdriver to carefully pop out the old battery. Wait 10 seconds. Or you can press any key fob button for 2 seconds to ensure the power is fully discharged. Place the battery into the key fob with the positive side facing down. Make sure the plus symbol on the battery lines up with the plus symbol inside the compartment. To close the key fob, position the front cover over the back and snap both sides together. To confirm power is restored, press a button on the key fob to arm or disarm your system. The LEDs should flash. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your command panel and enter the appropriate code for your panel. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Key Fob. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.